How to change your TikTok password if you have forgotten your old one. Hello guys and welcome to the channel, welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you want to know how you can change your password if you forgot your old password. So you don't need your old password in order to change your TikTok account password. So for that we have to go on our TikTok account here on our TikTok profile, then click on those three lines from the right top corner, which is here. Then go to settings and privacy. Then you have to go to the first option, which is account, and then you have to click on password. Now you will receive a 6-digit code to your phone number. As you can see, I already received it and it was added automatically, and now we just have to enter our new password, which I will do right now. So I added my password. You have to add 8 characters, 20 max, 1 letter and 1 number, and 1 special character. Now you have to click on the next button and our password was changed. So guys, this is it. As I said, it's super simple and easy, and you will definitely be able to change your TikTok password without knowing your old one. So if this video was useful, you can like it, you can comment in the comment section down below your questions, your thoughts about this video. If you have problems with changing your password, and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible. You can also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. So you can turn on the notification bell and you'll be notified once I will post another video. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.